Daddy, I don't know what we're going to do with him, our little baker.
You making cookies?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, cut him out.
Yeah. Good.
Alright, you can use another one if you want. Another cookie cutter. I'm not using that one. There. What is that? Candy cane?
No. Oh.
Alright, that's all we can do until our other ones come out of the oven. Okay? Okay. We're fixing to have to roll it up again. Here. You can do one right here. There you go. You like helping Mama make cookies?
Wow.
All done. Smart little boy. Do you need help?
Yeah, help.
That's all we don't have any more pans right now. We have to wait till that one gets done in the oven. Okay? Show Daddy your hands. All the way up to his elbows, down to his feet.